guys, so we outside. I am on my way to work, and coincidentally where I'm working is where we'll be shooting tomorrow. Well, it's pretty close, so I'm coming back here tomorrow to shoot with an amazing photographer, Oladimeji. I'm out of breath, so you guys should definitely check out his work. I'm gonna put his handle in this video, and also hopefully by the time this video goes up, the shoot will be out and I can post it. But if not, you guys should follow my Instagram so you can check it out once it's done. But it's a really dope field in Nepal, so that's where we're shooting on Saturday. I'm super excited because I don't think this is a good idea to be speaking outside with all the cars passing, so I'll probably just continue the conversation later on. Let me try and continue what I was trying to say before. I've not had a shoot, I've not done a shoot in like a year plus. I think it's been a year plus now, because the last time we did one was January 2020, so we're in what, June now, I think. Well, not I think, but we're in June now, so it's been a year plus. So I'm super excited. I have 2 shoots confirmed for this month of June, so glory be to God. You guys don't know how excited I get whenever I have to go on set, or whenever I just have the opportunity to paint someone else's face. It's just like a huge blessing, so I'm grateful to God for that. I will take you guys hopefully behind the scenes of this coming shoot on Saturday. Hopefully, it's always hard because, you know, when I'm working I'm like 100% focused, so that's that. I'm gonna head to work now and check in with you guys later in the day. Okay, bye. Good morning. So today is shoot day. I just finished with my client not too long ago. I had someone coming this morning to come get their hair braided, so just finished with that not too long. I'm trying to eat because I'm not eating. But yeah, so I have like 1 hour to get everything ready and go, and I've not packed what I need yet for the shoot, so I'm gonna finish this food and then get ready to leave the house. And cheers. Packing right now for the shoot that I have in a few minutes ish, not minutes, well, in an hour, and I'm stressing so much. I actually did not know I was gonna start stressing this much, because I've not done a shoot in like a year or so it's kind of like stressful, not sure what to pack. Well, I have a mood board, so I know what I'm going for. However, it's just a bit stressful given that I've never worked with these people before, and you know, so I'm a bit anxious, but still gotta get the work done. Sorry for the angle. So I lost my tripod on my way back home when I was coming from Toronto, so I lost my tripod. So Assist has got to get a new tripod. I'm stressed. It's why it's not good to leave things last minute. I should have done this since, but I left it last minute, so it's very hard, stressing to get this done. But yeah, I will be right back. I'm so excited. Oh my god. You would think that I won the lottery or something with the way I'm acting. I'm just praying that we can get everything ready before the rain starts, because I can already feel the rain. Sorry for the noise. I'm literally pulling my box, so yeah. Alrighty. Okay guys, so we out here for the photographer and the model, so yes, we out here, boo boo.
Well then, why?
These days though, Jesus.
I feel like my skin is acting because I feel like I'm looking too many people. Yeah, I'm like, I had allergic reaction to it left. I'm trying to figure it out to this day, because it was like 2 months ago that it happened. And like I remember that time I was in Toronto, I had like 3 shoots back to back. So I don't know which product was used on me, but I know my skin is very sensitive. So okay. But anyways, I don't know how to even fix it. Yeah?
What year?
I'm in third year.
Tell them why.
Relax your hand. Hold you. Hey!
Are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine. You're hardly walk.
It helps the teacher lead his audience into the scene he
You know what I
describes
realized?
by creating an imaginary picture.
Oh, because this
Usually it's something that
Just like,
moves.
yeah, I just. But you know this?
guys, so it's legit raining right now, but like we still don't have our shot yet, so we will continue, okay? But yeah, just wanted to check it. And what's my hair? Why's my hair in the way? But yeah.
Calico. Tell them why.
PA of life. So we are doing the second look. I'm gonna go for what's it called instead? I don't know yet the color I want to go for, but we shall see.
That's a lot of stuff.
That's a lot.
You need to edit your face.
It is what it is.
So you just want one color on the eyelid, right?
It's actually nerve-wracking though.
It's something I know.
Because people are still gonna like it. That's the thing.
Oh,
People always want, even if they don't like it, I like,
Yeah, they just tap it and they will just scroll past either way. So like, and
But
people
more
that
times out of 10, it's like people will like.
exactly, and people that want to
Because they already follow you.
the family, that's not me because you know I'm never posting like a story. That's how your followers are not growing more than that. Because I feel like if you post more, your followers will go. Here we are. That's how you do not talk in
I lose the way.
That's how you didn't say it with your full chest. The one you used to stop me is not enough. Look at it. Is it good?
Oh yeah.
Just the makeup vibe. Let me show y'all close up.
Yes.
She did it in 5 minutes.
Let's go.
Qui la peut? Personne.
Okay guys, so that is the second look for our shoot. That's basically how it goes behind the scenes when I'm shooting. Crazy. But hope you guys enjoyed this video, and subscribe, like, and share, and I'll catch you guys later. If you guys want more content like this, please do make sure to let me know in the comment section. I hope you guys can actually hear me, because if you can, it would be a shame. So that's basically how the behind the scenes work whenever I'm on a shoot. Today was a bit special as it is still raining. But yeah, so it's raining, and usually it doesn't rain when we're shooting, but super psyched about today's shoot, as the photographer is mad talented, the model is mad beautiful, like it's an amazing team. So hopefully we get to work together more often. But yeah, I'm super excited.
Well then, why?
And it's a wrap. Thank you very, 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 very. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I'm left with thank you. And Sam and Faith.
Director right there.
I thought I could put it herself. Oh, she doesn't put herself
Get
out.
away here.
Okay, and I think we all. Need some guys to be singing twerking later. Oh, that's a gem right there.
It's a wrap. Okay guys, so it's a wrap. Shout out to this amazing girl right here.
Hi.
I'm gonna put a handle so you guys can go follow her.
Yeah.
Look at this beauty. Oh my goodness.
I wanted to show you somewhere.
Wow.